And when you do things the right way, you get the right result.
I get you. Timing is of the essence.
Timing is everything.
Time is of the essence. Remember that, you know. The reason why people bring the leader to their areas is to boost certain thing, right?
Yes,
and I'm a young man here, and with the leaders never visit the constituency in the capacity as doing a concert or even a conference or something like that.
A workers meeting or anything like that.
And I am the man that creating the sparks with the people, because the people is the ultimate power. So no matter what you're doing, if the people are within you, you can't, you know.
It don't make sense.
And I know the people of St. Mary, let me talk for St. Mary. They love and respect me because they know I love and respect them.
Amazing.
Yeah, they don't see me as no politician.
See, as a part of them.
They see me as Mirage.
Yes.
The selfless young man that look out for them, that protect them, and share with them.
Yes.
This is not about politics for me. It's about the people.
Your journey started a long time ago. It didn't start since you went to politics. Your journey started before that. You know.
Long time. That's why I always said this. I am proud that the life that I have lived as a young man, it had propelled me to become the candidate for the Jamaica Labour Party 2025. After having a vision to say that I will be 2015 and 25 now, I am the candidate.
Amazing.
It's amazing, man, and I am so proud of myself.
Yeah, I am proud of you too.
I am a country boy. Grew up in a one bedroom, like that song called they say 6 away in one bedroom, and like we're lover, we ain't no lover. You understand? I never have the finest things in life, like these nice stuff that you see back, even back in our days. I never have that. Jeans there, I couldn't go to school. I didn't have a jeans. You understand what I mean? One of the first name brand shoes that I ever wear in my life, it's a Air Force.
Am I missed again?
Lanny, anyone I go and big him up. I find the sneakers under the cellar, and the sneakers are that piece of tear, like in the crease. So what I did, I get an umbrella thing, like you know the umbrella have a little hole, like you can cut and make an eagle, right? And you know in the crocodile bag you have the little card where.
Yeah, man.
Right?
You know
what
crocodile bag, brother? you know crocodile bag.
Yeah, so man. The crocodile bag, man. We feed the bag, they have the white nylon card.
Yeah, man. Yeah, and
so what I did, I saw that shoes and
you're a real country boy, but you like me, you know. Trust me.
When I finish with that shoes, they call me a shoemaker. You understand? And I get the white paint. You know that white paint that you see in the back with the sponge on top of it?
Yeah, man.
Yes, shoes white.
Where take I'm paint the crib.
That's how I first wear Nike.
Yeah.
But I always know that I was born to be great, because it's a fire that burns in me to become great. And adversity is a big factor that adversity made me become the man that I am today.
Yeah.
Because no matter what the pay and the fight, no matter what be Mirage, I always focus on the prize and I always be respectful. So
I think one green light wants to say something to you, because she generally request for coming up in the box.
Just before she come in, I just have one clarification. I just want to clarify something. I think I asked him already, but I don't remember if I had asked him. It is accurate that my wife taught you at school, right?
Well said.
All right. You also know my eldest son.
Well said. Man, bossy. So they say me bossy and face on bossy, have it. Yeah, big up Miss Morgan, man. Miss Morgan teacher, man, you know. I always enjoy it, you know. But you know, we used to give her a lot of trouble, you know.
Yeah. But one thing you know, you love her and she love you know.
Yeah, man, definitely. She was a mother from a mother, you know.
Yeah, man.
I've never get beaten from her though, you know.
Well, so like it was a good behavior, because she used to put on.
No, I was, you know, I have a little charm, you know, I have the little, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I want an election. That's one of the seat that my eyes will be glued on that seat. And I've been
Definitely,
making
man.
some
And
calls.
the people are ready. The people. And you can't do
Yes.
no with the people.
Yes.
No matter what canvas you do, no matter what do, if the people don't say you can't, you're not gonna.
Now go forward.
The people.
I'll be praying for you, my brother.
Thank you.
Respect.
One green light. Isapang want to ask a question. One green light.
Blessings, happy Emancipation Day to everybody on the live. Mr. Maraj is know me well. My man, that man. But what come up
Why you
when
get me
him
in
said
trouble, you know?
it's 9 times the PMP them come here. You know that Mr. Maraj, you know that Sunday they will be in a Rockabessa Square. The three constituency meeting, yeah?
Maybe I need to send him a floss.
Why them are meeting in the small places there?
I don't know. But every minute, sir.
I'm all right. We're not worried about them.
Them have parish meeting, but you bring the whole of St. Mary got Arakabesa Square?
Yes.
And town too.
Three constituency.
And town.
I remember the other people.
I remember so they always carrying other crowd.
Okay. Let me see
Yeah,
what
but
that
we're not really business about them green light. We not watch them. We do our own thing.
We not watch them. We not watch them. We not watch them. One Mirage, we say we know Mirage carry home.
The people have Central.
One Mirage, we say.
The people have
and no matter what they do, we are take St. Mary to them. St. Mary, them can't get St. Mary.
Okay. You know the good thing about it is this. You know, other night me go back and go look on the numbers with strike off. And may I say, you know, so the people in St. Mary Central, whole heap of labor rights up there. And
a lot, man. There's a lot of them, especially even I get a lot of them. A lot of them, but because over the years the assumption and what they're trying to do, the intimidation method, but that cannot work with us. Cannot work with me.
Yeah.
And then because they mess up your bone.
I would call them now board man because their biggest focus is now is my billboards. In removing them.
The people that make up their mind. But Mr. Maraj, them not want him. Them not want that man. Them not want him enough because remember when we got Port Murray, when we had tour one day, we got Port Bailey'sville. Remember, and them never have a new posters, you know.
As a
woodbine posters there have up, you know.
A flight I don't know something.
Bailey'sville people fear have up woodbine posters, you know, and expect them to have up new posters.
You don't know why green light? Remember say Bailey'sville, the man where say when him look to the left and look to the right and PMP River come down bank to bank. Remember say down where Bailey'sville him come from?
Yeah, man, me know, man. Remember say am I place in a petal? Me didn't
remember
say
then remember say him run against Newell, so you know for them thing go.
We never get it. Then the people are still in their feelings.
They're just selling a different donkey with the same saddle.
Yeah. So you know, so that cause enough of the feelings there. So, but we not pre them. All what me I say is this. Yeah. We know say we have no, and you know say when me a picnic, you know say then change up the boundary do Mr. Maraj and shave off some of the people
Like cause it was 4 constituency, you know.
Yeah.
Back in the days, you know. Remember it was East South or something like that. Cause I get was not part of Central. You know?
Right.
So when they cut it now, when Horace Clark about to run, they carry I get on Fort Murray and Central St. Mary. And that's where when Wycliffe lost.
Change up the boundary.
People, one of the things that I'm very happy about, the people are more smarter and more experienced and are more knowledge and more understand and see how things go. They cannot come with the same old thing because remember that they have time, you know, 50 odd years to be exact, 53. I think 53, yes. And no matter which political government is in power, they're the one in charge of Central Assembly. Because when Horace Clark was MP, Manley was Prime Minister, I would assume that PJ Patterson, when the outgoing member of Parliament now, I do not know if he's going out, you know, because I heard things on the ground like they're contemplating to step back in the ring. You understand? So,
in foot hat, man.
Yeah, so the champ is here and I am ready. you know, well trained, well taught.
Yeah.
How to handle myself in any fight, okay?
And
But
it's good you've been working. Yeah, and like when Striker did a run other day, last election, I mean, he never did up there long. I worked the seat
that
against.
I am St. Mary, you know. And I'm
Yeah.
not I'm not gonna talk about for
Some
St.
hard
I am
work,
St.
man.
Mary.
Some hard
Yeah.
Because
work.
if I did apply for any seat
Mm-hmm.
in St. Mary, I would have gotten it and gotten the same response. Anywhere we
Yeah.
go in St. Mary, it's traffic blocking. The youths and people love them. Big up the
Yeah.
youths them. Youths are the future and we have to make them marketable. So when they stepped out in the world of work, they stepped out with confidence and represent themselves well and represent St. Mary and can provide for their family. I am no stranger
Miss
to
Maraj,
St.
mess up
Mary.
yourself and make everything work out for you. Miss Kizzy, you can't take me down and put up somebody else.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. Me did a listen, but me say, you know what, more say something to the brethren. Me go call your name, brother, and if me pronounce it right, Nathaniel Jamar Maraj. Am I right?
Yes, sir. You want to talk in Chinese?
My name protecting JA.
Yes.
I do look work for you over there. I'm going to continue to do some work for you over there. It look promising so far. And as long as the campaign kick off and the work intensify, you're very popular over there. You're a president of St. Mary, boss. I'm why you keep up the work, keep the pressure, because guess what? We can know which part the PMP them think them have a problem. Anyway, them go more than 2 times, them have a problem. So. And 9 times them go over this already. Them go to St. Thomas about 6 times, I think. Well, that's my count. I think we go to Westmoreland about 5 or 6 times. And we can know the places them where.
From a St. Elizabeth to protecting them down there straight because them have a problem down there.
Yeah, and them
they
go
have a problem down there.
So you are give them a run for them money. Because Central them concerned about still, you know. Because guess what? Bobby now go lose. I see them stitch one video where they about Don now go lose. So them concerned about Central. Now, if we are to believe the former co-worker of Omar Newell, the same name?
Sorry a minute. Mr. Marat, somebody in the back named Rivella said me to get in touch with you.
If we are to believe the words of Mr. Newell's former co-worker, Mr. Newell robbed in party lead a company $200 million. So for Newell, it's all about the money. And thank God for Andrew Holness and Nigel Clark. MPC reached 13 million a year now, so everybody around come. I want you to turn back, Mr. Newell. A matter of fact, I want you to detour him over one precipice. Big up yourself, Nathaniel. You're large and in charge, my boss.
Mr. Pang?
Yeah.
1 minute, then Mr. Pang, he's on.
Before you come in, Mr. Marad, we'll let the Blanco White. You need to get in touch with them, please.
I don't hear it.
You can give them a follow.
Look, the person in the comment need to get in touch with Mr. Maraj. He's Mr. Winston. Let the person can message him. Of course, obviously, he's the one running his account and he will see the message.
Yeah, all right. I'm going to just bring it to him attention. Go on, Mr. Pang.
Yes, all right, Mr. Pang.
Yeah, Mr. Maraj. The administration have a plan for Padgy Beach for the next term, next year. But like the Cabarita Island and Sheepin, I think is a good. I used to swim over there as a boy and walk that Sheepin. You have any kind of attraction plan for them to spot the cars? Not my opinion, from my boy. And when we see all the video for the from the thing there, I think it's a good attraction on the island there. over the Cabarita Island. So like you have any plan for like tourism attraction for them two spot, the sheeping and on the Cabarita Island?
I would just say yes now, but I do not want to say it. So.
Mr. Maraj, we're not hearing you. You're going down. You're going down. Low.
I will say yes, but I will not elaborate on it because I realize that when I say stuff before putting out it in then teeth it. So I am a visionary and I see the potential of my constituency, and I know that when I become the next member of parliament, I will put the necessary things in place to make it more marketable and more valuable.
Thank you, that is it.
Easy.
Yes.
I have to go now, you know.
Yes, man, I know. And
right now, me up on a journey.
Yes, I invite you up, not for the questions, but you know, once you come, the people want you.
No, man, no problem. I am not shy. I am not afraid of any question. You know, I'm a truthful young man.
I know you're busy.
I'm very truthful, and I will always be truthful and speak the truth, and forever will speak the truth.
Okay, so Danet Grant us if you big you up here, because maybe you're not pay attention to the comments. So
and I was about to big up all the person in the comment. I see some of the comments, because I'm not so TikTok savvy. I cannot tag you guys like that, but I'm learning. You understand? As time progresses, I'm learning because you know I have to get in the modern type of communication. But feel free to inbox me. I don't guarantee that I will respond ASAP, but in look of free time, sometimes I browse and I respond to people. How you doing? Good morning. You know, have a conversation naturally. Okay, so and I am the person behind this speech.
no, he said Kizzy. Move and go Dark Night.
Can I say something, please?
Go through quick, no rusty, because him want jump off now. Is that just a quick pass through?
All right. Yeah. Future MP. See her come through, you know, and wish her all the best, Virgin. Cause see her come through. See her as one of the dark ass, but you come through here. But you have to stay grounded with social media. That's where everything is happening. You know you have your thing for doing your own to make, but you have to find time for it. Because of this, everything happen.
No, man, I have it locked, General. I have it locked.
All right. And all the best for the future, my virgin. And we love what you do, you know? And we love how it look. It look good.
Yeah, man. And thank you, you know, I have it locked. But
blessings, man. How you mean all the time, man?
I can't stop greatness, man.
Yeah, man.
Lexi, you're here, Lexi. Future MP, just say hello to Lexi, because if you not say hello to Lexi today, Lexi just had her birthday. And watch it. Wait now. Lexi, a customer when you come and she not up on the platform, she asks, oh, me not call her for come say hello.
Lexi, happy belated birthday. And I want to bless you upon your belated birthday. And I hope you have a fine time. You did have a fine time. And you drink some fine wine.
All right.
Okay.
Lexi, I come my party with Plank. Lexi, I there in the cabana. Don't worry yourself.
Yes. So we can. I can officially meet her.
Yeah, man. Yes.
All right. So people, big up and bless up. Choose Jamaica.
That's it. And MP, please take care of yourself. But no say you beat it. And you think you're young, but you stay on your vitamins and make sure say you drink enough water and you get your rest. Because campaigning can be grueling, even when you're used to the road.
Definitely take your advice.
Yeah, man. Take care and be safe. Okay, guys. So there we have Mr. Maraj pass by, and a big way up and a big up himself. Yeah, and I express a little bit of what's happening down there. And him not exaggerate. Him not exaggerate. Yes, Shanice, it is your job to stay on it. Please see to it that he might take care of himself, say him eat, and he might get him rest. Because we just a start. Him have to rest. Me know because me communicate with him a lot sometimes. Me watch. He no take no sleep. He need to rest. And take him vitamins and make sure say get him 8 hours. If him not get 8, minimum of 6. So stay on it for me, Shanice. Big up yourself. Right through. So there we have it, guys. MP Cuthbert Flynn was here earlier. I guess I invited her, and I guess she just wanted to come. So I know she will make the time to come on when it's possible. She will come on and join us eventually at some point in time.
You know, Kizzy, you see, in politics, especially in rural politics, a candidate have a lot to do it, you know.
Yeah, man. Personality.
Sometimes people vote against party line, you know, for a candidate, you know. And they see this man with his popularity, likability, down to earth, youthfulness. I know that people in Central St. Mary will vote against party line for this young man, because this young man is a community person, he's a people person. He's about empowering young people and make something of themselves. And the thing that is so fascinating about what he have just shared, that he is coming from the most humble beginning.
Mm-hmm.
And when you have people who start out at this level, they are the one who will serve our country and our people best. Just compare the Prime Minister. Just compare the Prime Minister wife. All these people life was so humble, and look what they are giving back now to their constituency.
True. Because they can relate. It's the same thing with my MP. Miss Vaz will tell you that's why even this bus thing is so personal to her, because she has been telling us that in East Portland from she run from 2019 how much miles she used to walk for go school.
Yes.
Yeah. So when you okay, if you listen to Terry Long talk about his mother selling in
the market.
Right. And the same thing with Dr. Dunn.
School. Yeah.
And the same thing with Dr. Dunn. Them have a history, and they know what poverty is. They know what it is to not have everything. So if you look at these politicians and their history, look how them work. Look how them go about it. The most of these PNP people who we know today, we don't know them story, you know.
No.
We don't know the background story for them, you know, especially the career politician. Them, you know, we don't know how them grew up. We don't know if them grew up in a struggle. We don't know nothing about them.
And Kiri, you know what is so fascinating about it again? This young man talk about how him getting first pair of Nike shoes.
Not true.
And I know now how many young people in St. Mary where him now buy a footwear and give to.
Aye.
You see the blessing, Kizzy?
Yes.
God, this man coming from the gutter, so to speak, not in any disrespectful way. And now God has projected him on such a height that he can make so much difference in young people's life, especially those who look forward to back to school from this young man.
He has been before politics. He has been giving back and doing projects, back to school treats, and giving back in his community and in his parish. Long time.
It's amazing. I've never met him in person, but I always hear about him with his promotion shows.
Yes.
And I gave the other the leverage to speak to him personally, without trying to force myself in the conversation. But I just wanted to say, Mr. Maraj, I hope that good sense will prevail in Central St. Mary. It's a constituency where the people, especially those who support the PNP, mind still ribbit on the plantation. And guys, many of us don't know that St. Mary is one of the parish of the most great house. And so I think many of the people are still not yet emancipated to take control of their own personal development. But I know that, sir, you will prevail. If it is not this time, it can be the next time around. But I only hope that it is this time, because your work just began. You have a lot more work to do. You have a lot more people's lives to touch in a positive way. So I just wish you all the best. Strength, long life, and prosperity.
Yes, guys, and I think on that note, I think I want to end the live now. I have been here since very early my time this morning. Been generally come on. One day you keep on a laugh. I me see you ask me one question, say if me know politics. First of all, you over here every day. You live over here, you at me over here higher than for the average labor rights. So you love over here. So obviously, you know that I know politics. And me say this all the time. And Maraj, Mr. Maraj, know this from the first day of my meeting. Omar Newell is my personal friend. We communicate all the time. He is my friend for many, 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 many years. And if me text him or call him right now, he might go answer. And I never, ever come here and tell you guys that what I know of him is that he's not a good person, right? But what go on with him over PNP, me no know. We can't talk about him PNP life or him because that's how we made him always part ways. But him know this too. Say, I will not support his bid. I know like Modo want to say my friend reach parliament, but I don't want to see my friend reach parliament on the ticket of a PNP. And he knows that. So no hypocrisy no in my thing or nothing like that. Nothing. I'm a friend, but we separate politics. Nell, you're free to say one Newell, but me can tell you, no have to go come good. No have to go come really good. Because Dr. Guy did not leave any foundation down there for Omar Newell to build on. Omar Newell coming in with and campaigning like a candidate who is taking over, who is trying to take over a seat from a labor right. For that seat to be in the PNP's column for so many years unbroken. And there is no legacy. It is a disgrace and a testimony to the Jamaican people of why they should not vote for Omar Newell, because the party that he represents, they don't perform, they don't deliver for the people, they are not interested in development. And that is my opinion, and I will tell him that.
When you say legacy, you have to explain what you mean, because I want to both slave up there, understand what you say sometimes.
One Dan, you just approve. Well, me no know, me not able to break down that right now. But me also say this to one Dan, as one of my biggest PNP fan next to Eagle. One Dan, that is a delusional statement for you to make. Any seat PNP didn't lose in 2020 can lose in this election. That is a delusional statement to make. One Dan. I hear why. The people down there have been very much accustomed to Dr. Guy. So Dr. Guy's loyalists, Dr. Guy loyal people, always are going to come out for him. And remember this, Dr. Guy did not win the seat overwhelmingly. It was a margin, a 300 vote Dr. Guy win for. So if he was a working MP, the man will come in last minute to represent on a St. Mary who was barely visible. I not even can remember his name now. He never did a campaign as hard or do as much as what Maraj is doing now. Dr. Guy barely scraped through with 300 votes. Trust and believe that when you send 2 new candidates in, the people no longer look at party. So if you don't know that about politics, you better understand. So down at Central St. Mary, the people are not looking at party, they are looking at the individuals. Here? So you can say they talk nonsense and ask me foolishness, but Andrew can't bring no candidates this time. What kind of nonsense you talk? Okay, now, anyways, guys, much love and respect. I think we had a very good program today. It was very, very good from start to finish, right through until now. We had a lovely program, except for the one dregs. We come with him disrespectful foolishness. But I am hoping that somebody somewhere learned something today, take away a lot from the conversations that we have had. So big up on yourself. I will not be on tomorrow. I will not be on tomorrow. I will be about.
All right, Kizzy, thank you.
Rusty no mute mic, you know, Rusty no mute mic. Yes.
As usual, my darling. Take care.
Yeah, man. I will be out and about, but if anything, I will try my best to come on around Sunday afternoon. After I come. So, if you don't see me, just know, say, me might tune in for other people, but for short, I will not be hosting myself. So, no look out for Black King tomorrow. Black King have to come on and do the thing tomorrow.
All right, bless up.
Yeah, man. May I bring up my brother? Because my brother must want to say something.
Where are the tomorrow?
I am going to an Emancipation Day party, Jamaica party. Yeah.
All right, so what I want to say is, Kizzy, very informative program you have, and I must commend you for running the platform so long. I mean, I was in and out, but trust me, a lot of times I was in the comment section, listening, and trust me, Kizzy, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. I'm proud of you, my sister. Go on, spread the word. Go on, preach it. Go on, beat and teach. And trust me, we are learn. Big up.
Thank you, bro. Thanks. And to my darling, Mr. Connecting, and my darling One Love, and my darling Rusty, with the history and the knowledge. Thank you guys. You know, add a lot for to the platform. Yes, Mr. Pang, and everybody who tap, everybody who send gifts. And of course, today I got over 100 armies, and that is what TikTok like. So big up on yourself, and thanks again. And we're catching up on somebody.
Yeah, man. And also, Nelson Mandela said hi to you too as well, Kizzy.
All right, Nelson. But Nelson, I'm not really talk to the dead. I'm not willing to think that. I Winnie Mandela, me think them. So me have to go find Winnie. Big up on yourself, guys. Blessings again. I enjoy the rest of the Emancipation Day. And remember, the Prime Minister said it's a battle for the mind.